Speed passage number 8, that the present petition under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India is being filed by way of public interest litigation, and the petitioners have no personal interest, full stop. It is solely for the public interest, particularly for the people of Jajpur, Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj districts of the state of Odisha, full stop. Para. That the present petitioners seek to challenge the action and inaction of the opposite parties for violating the various settled laws, rules and guidelines while constructing the NH 215/20 between Panikoili to Rimuli section, and these petitioners time and again approached the authorities and lastly, finding no other alternative remedy, are constrained to approach this honorable court, invoking extraordinary jurisdiction of this honorable court by filing this petition under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution of India, full stop. Further, it is also necessary to state here that the opposite parties, more particularly opposite party numbers 10 and 11, are indulged in rampant malpractice in collection of toll fee, in contravention to the statutory guidelines for constructing the 4-laning of National Highway number 215/20 between Panikoili to Rimuli section, lying lying in the districts of Jajpur and Keonjhar by setting of 3 different toll fee plazas, namely at Hasanpur, Kantaghara and Banajodi, in less than 60 kilometers from one toll fee plaza to another toll fee plaza, in spite of 2 toll fee plazas, and thereby also not providing basic facilities such as service roads, subways, underpass, speed limits, stopping station, medical aid, police outposts, etc. Full stop. For that, these petitioners seek to invoke the extraordinary jurisdiction of this honorable court to declare the action of opposite parties as illegal, arbitrary, unauthorized, cancerous, and unethical for violating the fundamental rights of the citizens enshrined under Articles 14, 19, 21, and 48, full stop. 48 hyphen capital A of the Constitution of India, and all those erring officers of state and center and other concerned opposite parties as stated above may be penalized for violation of other statutory norms while constructing the said incomplete national highway in question, full stop. Next para. That the petitioners who are the permanent residents of the state of Odisha file this writ petition in the shape of public interest litigation challenging the alleged action and inaction of the opposite parties by not protecting the interest of the general public of the state of Odisha, more particularly the inhabitants of Jajpur, Keonjhar, and Mayurbhanj districts, full stop. The cause of action arises within the jurisdiction of this honorable court for which this PIL is maintainable, full stop. Next para. That the opposite parties numbers 1 to 9 are authorities of the states, and the opposite party number 10 and 11 are the alleged constructing private parties, full stop. Next para. Number 5. That the present petitioners are challenging the action of the opposite party numbers 10 and 11 who are indulged in a gross and blatant violations on the face of record on various aspects, one amongst is violation of Rule 8 of the National Highway fee bracket start determination of rates and collection bracket end rules 2008 stated herein that subpara 1 the executing authority or the concessionaire, as the case may be, shall establish a fee plaza beyond a distance of 10 kilometers from a municipal or local town area limits, full stop, provided further that where a section of the national highway, permanent bridge, bypass or tunnel, as the case may be, is constructed within the municipal or town area limits or within 5 kilometers from such limits, comma, primarily for use of the residents of such municipal or town area, comma, the fee plaza may be established within the municipal or town area limits or within a distance of 5 kilometers from such limits, full stop. Para. Subpara 2. Any other fee plaza on the same section of national highway and in the same direction shall not be established within a distance of 60 kilometers, full stop. Para. From the above mentioned statutory norms, comma, it is evident to state here that firstly, comma, the executing authority is barred, B-A-R-R-E-D, barred from establishing a fee plaza beyond a distance of 10 kilometers from municipal or local town limits, full stop. But in the present case, the executing authority, that is opposite party numbers 10 and 11 has constructed a toll fee plaza at Hasanpur, comma, which is within 3 kilometer radius of Ghasipura municipal area, comma, which is the foremost violation of the said rules of NHI, full stop. Secondly, any other fee plaza on the same section of national highway and in the same direction shall not be established within a distance of 60 kilometers. But in the present case, the opposite party numbers 10 and 11 have constructed 3 different toll plazas, namely Hasanpur, Kantaghar and Banajodi, in the stretch of 163 kilometers, wherein the distance between Panikoili to Hasanpur, the distance is only 32.9 kilometers, comma, furthermore, the distance between Kantaghar to Banajodi 34 kilometers, full stop. Such violations committed by the opposite party numbers 10 and 11 in connivance with the local and state authorities is unjust, illegal, arbitrary and gross violation of the principles of natural justice, and if the same is not rectified, dealt with, comma, the public in general will sustain irreparable loss and injury and will be highly prejudiced, full stop. Next para. That it is relevant to state here that, comma, any fee plaza on the same section of national highway and in the same direction shall not be established within a distance of 60 kilometers, full stop. The total length of said project in question, that is between Panikoili to Rimuli, is measuring about 163 kilometers, full stop. But setting three different toll plazas, namely at Hasanpur, Kantagara, Najodi, in a stretch of 100 kilometers, is itself illegal, arbitrary, and unauthorized. Full stop. Again, it is further relevant to state here that as per 60 kilometers norm of the NHI on its strict implication between this 163 kilometers stretch, only two toll plazas are legal, full stop, for which the operation of above three different toll plazas need to be stopped with immediate effect, and a fresh demarcation pertaining to the toll plaza are to be sketched as per the settled norms of NHI. Full stop. Okay, thank you everybody.